Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the CapCut in your laptop or PC. So if you want to download the CapCut application for editing on your PC, I will show you how to do this. It's really easy and simple. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to come for this window icon, just tap on it. And from here, you have to find this Microsoft Store. You can see this is the icon. This is the Microsoft official store of our laptop or PC. So if I tap on it to open, and now you can see this is opening our Microsoft store. And what we have to do is we have to search for CapCut application because we want to download this CapCut. And now you can see this is the CapCut. You can see photo and video editor. You just have to tap on it again, and now you can see this installed option because I have already installed this in my PC. So you will see their install or get option. You just have to tap on this install or get, something like this, and after this you have to wait a little bit, like 4 to 5 seconds. It depends on your internet. If your internet is fast, it will be downloaded in 3 to 4 minutes. And after downloading, when you tap on open, this kind of interface you will see. This is the CapCut application, and you can see there are already projects I have worked on. So if we tap on this start creating, it will open a brand new project for you. Now you can see this import and all these things. So now you can easily edit your videos in CapCut. So that's really easy. That is how easily you can download and install the CapCut application on your laptop or PC. So you just have to go for this window, open your Microsoft, and in Microsoft you just have to search for CapCut, tap on this install or get, and you are done. So I hope this video was helpful. So like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.